Hello guys, welcome our channel the live street. Today the best forms the half male and half female. What about you? You can also the Lord Shiva is known as Ardha Nariswara. This means that half of the him is a goddess the Parvati. Superficially, as Northern Cardinal was found in Illinois, USA with half males and half female. Scientists the males are usually red and female is grey, but a bird is different in that it is half male and half female. Moreover, it does not even have a twin bird. Males of this species of sing is unison. This quail is never sang. The scientist that studies it for is a few days and concluded that the bird was born with a genetic disorder called bilateral gynandromorphism. This is a form, the lips is a form but are similar to those of a female and male on the other sound weird. Thank you for watching. Like and share and subscribe and live street. Goodbye.